Hello, my name is Shot, and I've been an AI engineer for the past 7 years. I've been working in data, statistics, AI, machine learning, coding for the past 6 to 7 years. Okay, so pretty much I'm making an AI course. This specific course is for certain people. So I'm gonna explain who this course is for, so you don't have to waste your time, right? So pretty much this course is for people that I'm gonna highlight these two. So people that are non-technical, that means if you know nothing about coding, you barely know anything about computers, you barely know how to use Excel, if you don't know anything about technology like that, you're not super tech savvy, and you want to get into AI, you want to get into you want to get a job in AI, coding. If you want to code AI, if you want to fine tune models, if you want to learn how to prompt engineer them properly, which means if you want to get them to say exactly what you want to say or control their output, if you want to make your own like LLMs or AI stuff from scratch using code, this course is for you. So I'm gonna highlight that real quick. Where's the highlight? Yeah. So you are included in this. Okay. So you're gonna be learning Python and stuff like that. You're gonna learn how to use ChatGPT. You're gonna learn all these things. If you're gonna learn everything about AI, how to make it and get a job in this one day, probably this is for you. But let's say you're non-technical and you don't want to use programming, right? You just want to use ChatGPT, you want to learn how to use all these cool fancy tools coming out like Google VO and stuff like that, and you don't want to code. If you don't want to code but you want to learn how to make AI, fine tune AI, use AI without code, aka using the no code tools, right? This course is not for you, okay? I'm gonna highlight this red right now. This course is not for you, okay? Now, let's say you are non-technical and you want to learn how AI works, but you don't want to code. You just want to watch the videos to learn how it works. You don't want to code anything, but you want to like at least learn something, I guess, or see how the brain works. Cause maybe you're a manager, maybe you're a CEO, maybe you're a CTO, right? And you're looking to learn about AI and the technicals without doing anything. This course is for you, okay? Yeah, like this course is definitely for you. Yeah, you just want to learn it. You don't want to build anything. You don't want to use it. You just want to understand how it works. So someone talks technical and fancy with you, you know exactly what they're talking about. That's for you. Okay. So group four, technical coders. So let's say, one second. Let me make sure I'm reading this right. Yeah. I think this is the same thing as group one, where it's pretty much, yeah, like you're okay with coding. Yeah, actually, this is the same thing as the other one. Oh no, sorry. This is for my bad. This is for technical learners. So let's say you're technical already. Let's say you know how to program. Let's say you kind of know technology. Let's say you know how to use ChatGPT. You're like pretty decent. You know about plugins. You know about analytics a little bit and stuff like that. Let's say you are technical. You do know a programming language of some sort, and you want to learn how to make AI from scratch, fine tune models, use the famous models to output exactly what you want, right? Like, yeah, let's say you want to use a famous model and make it say what you want, because right now you don't know how to make it say what you want. It's having mistakes, stuff like that. And you're okay with learning Python, and you're okay with using models and stuff like that, downloading things, all that jazz. If you're technical and you want to learn about AI, how to code it, this is also for you. Um, Yes. And then next, now let's say you're technical and you don't want to code nothing. You don't want to learn Python. You just want to use these fancy apps and software that's already out there, ChatGPT, Google VO, like Midjourney. You just want to use those, and you don't want to learn how to code anything involving it. You don't want to integrate nothing into your code, whatever. This course is not for you. Okay, not for you. Oh, it is. That's red. That's red. Cool. I don't know why it's a different kind of red, but it's red. Cool. I'm keeping it raw because I'm trying to be authentic. I don't want to give you guys a fake teacher persona. Like I'm a real person. All right, cool. Now, so let's say you're an AI professional. You're like me. You're an AI engineer. You're an ML engineer. You're a data scientist. You're a data analyst. You're a database person, right? You're like super deep into SQL. If you are this kind of person and you just want to learn about a new AI thing you didn't know about before. Maybe you want to get into like image stuff, you want to get into video stuff, you want to get into tech stuff, but you specialized kind of early on when the hype was going on, and you never had enough time to expand into all the domains of text, video, um, image, all that kind of jazz. This is for you, right? This will help you fill in the gap of stuff that you kind of were left out of the loop because you were too busy working a job. And you got into AI super early and quick, and you had no time to learn anything. This course is for you. And if you're AI engineer reviewing just AI concepts, AI just coding stuff, building things, you're trying to review for an interview coming up, or you need to explain something to your professor or explain something to your coworkers or whatever, this course is for you as well. So that's what I will say that. So that's pretty much who this course is for. So now the next couple of videos are going to get you involved to the course, teach you everything about how to make AI from scratch, how to fine tune AI from scratch, how to make the famous models say exactly what you want them to say, or output exactly what you want them to output, or do exactly what you want them to do. So if you're trying to build agents, if you're trying to build apps around AI, apps around the famous ones, or you're trying to make AI agents using the famous models, this course is also for you. Okay, so keep that in mind. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, if you want to learn one-on-one with me, if you want to learn AI one-on-one, building it, how it works, how to use it, how to make money with it, automation, all that jazz, reach out to my email. I'm here for all of it, and I'm here to help and teach you guys. But yes, so that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. Peace.